In today's video, I'll be covering waves from a daily and weekly time frame. The ticker symbol is WAVE USD. I like to start my analysis usually from the weekly time frame. So we'll start here with the analysis off a weekly chart. A couple things stand out here. Number one is that we have a cup formation, a giant cup formation that actually begins in 2017. And this is framing what you would call a high handle. So we'd be looking at a breakout of that area on the larger multi-year pattern. Now, zooming in a little bit, you'll see here the 2017 high at 23.30 is obviously important resistance. And on the downside, you'll see the 2020 ascending trend line coming in just at the lows of the descending parallel channel. It's important that we are trading above the 50-week simple moving average. There are a lot of cryptocurrencies that have been unable to hold that level. And now, despite the rally that we saw yesterday, it remained stuck below that level, and follow through is pretty difficult for them. So in the case of waves, we're looking at a better situation on a technical basis than other cryptocurrencies at this point. From a daily perspective, once again, we have the 2020 ascending trend line here. We have a descending parallel channel with a measured move of about 74%. Now, at this particular time, you'll see that it is trying to make a move today. It's about a 10% move, but it's striking resistance at the 200-day simple moving average, which is 13.88, and then the 50-day moving average, which is 14.70. My recommendation is for clients to wait until we get a daily close above the 50-day moving average at 14.70, initiate a pilot buy, and then look to add to that position on a daily close above the channel, or sorry, the resistance line of the descending parallel channel. The position will discover a resistance at this level here, which corresponds very closely to about 19.5. It takes into this high, and this high here. It probably will be formidable resistance, so you need to be patient there. And then looking for a measured move would take us, this is a rough projection, would take us to $29.80, which obviously is not at the all-time high, but still would be a significant move. And once again, it would have an important impact on your portfolio. We'll see here that waves did not become oversold, which could be part of the reason why we're not seeing the impulsive burst off there. Although when you look at June 22nd, we did get an impulsive burst off the low, and we did not reach an oversold condition. Once again, here we didn't have an oversold condition, and we got a significant burst higher. So this could be partly due to the fact that there's a lot of uncertainty in the general or the broader crypto market, and we need to just have patience and let this cryptocurrency prove itself. There's nothing wrong with that, especially when there is uncertainty in the crypto complex. There is no need for you to prove yourself. It's about the cryptocurrency proving itself to you. So look for that daily close above the 50-day, followed by a daily close above the parallel channel, and then some struggle here around 1950, and then you should be ready to go about 74% there. On the downside, use the low of yesterday at 1153 as a stop. If you do buy here, it should then it'll strike support here around 1040, which is the 2020 ascending trend line. And then, of course, the lower support line of the descending parallel channel. After that, support doesn't come in until this big down day on May 19th. Anything below there would be catastrophic for the cryptocurrency. Would obviously void the potential cup with high handle pattern that I talked about on the weekly chart. Here, So I would stay patient, let the cryptocurrency prove itself, and then move forward with your investment decisions.